Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to use 48 megapixel camera on iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let's have a look. First, open Settings app on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. In Settings, scroll down and tap Camera. Now choose Formats from Camera option. Here you will see Pro RAW and Resolution Control. Show camera control for Pro RAW and maximum resolution up to 48 megapixel. Simply turn on Pro RAW and Resolution Control. The default resolution for Apple Pro RAW should be 48 megapixel. Close camera settings. Now open the camera app and make sure RAW Max shows in the top right is not closed out. Now when you take a picture with the default camera app and make sure RAW is not closed out, if you tap I button for more info after taking a photo, you can confirm your shooting with the full 48 megapixel and resolution. So these are the steps to use 48 megapixel camera on iPhone 16 Pro Max. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.